Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get silica pearls in Ark Ascended. These shiny resources are incredibly important for crafting advanced electronics, which are crucial for building powerful structures and tools in your base. You will need many of them to progress through the game. We will cover the best methods for gathering these valuable pearls, including harvesting from natural nodes, collecting them from specific creatures, and even finding them in unexpected places like beaver dams. Let's dive into how you can efficiently gather this sought-after material. There are several effective ways to gather silica pearls. The most common method involves harvesting glowing clams, which are often found scattered across riverbeds and the vast ocean floor. Keep an eye out for their distinct shimmer. Another excellent source is looting giant beaver dams. While primarily known for cementing paste, these structures frequently contain a good number of pearls. Additionally, you can sometimes acquire pearls by harvesting the corpses of certain creatures, such as trilobites, eurypterids, and leeches, though this method is less consistent. When searching for silica pearls, certain locations are far more productive. The deep ocean floor, particularly within the northwestern quadrant of the map, is a prime spot for finding numerous pearl nodes. Dedicated underwater caves, often nicknamed pearl caves, are exceptionally rich, sometimes yielding thousands of pearls in a single run. You can also find them in shallower waters, such as along the borders of snowy biomass and within specific river systems, making them accessible even without deep-sea gear. To truly maximize your silica pearl collection, consider using specialized tames and equipment. An anglerfish is an invaluable asset for underwater farming, as its attack gathers pearls much more efficiently than by hand, often yielding 5 times the amount. An otter can also passively collect pearls from fish it hunts, providing a steady trickle. For any serious underwater expedition, scuba gear is essential, allowing you to breathe and see clearly for extended periods, ensuring you can gather hundreds of pearls without interruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.